In this video, I will discuss getting started investing in cannabis stocks. Coming up. Hey, what's up? Tim with Quantum Financial, bringing you the best investments and helping you make most of your money grow and outlive your lifestyle. On this show, we do a lot of business news along with strategies and stocks, just like this one. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Oprah Winfrey said this: breathe, let go, and remind yourself that this very moment is the only one you know you have for sure. Very powerful stuff from Winfrey. You probably heard of stories of everyday American become millionaires by investing in marijuana stocks. Some have been billionaires in this lucrative market. You're asking yourself, how can I get involved in this, Tim? Well, I will tell you how. The legal cannabis market is currently $10.8 billion and could grow $100 billion in the US and $1 trillion globally in the next 5 years. It's a perfect time to invest in marijuana stocks. Here's how. Step number 1. Open up a free brokerage account. If you already have a brokerage account, check these stocks. Acreage Holdings, symbol ACRZF, which former House Speaker John Boehner joined this company, fully integrated cannabis firm, dispensaries and processing operations in 14 states, and soon to go to 17. The company is a major player and is only getting bigger. When recording this video, the stock was trading at $17.75, down 1 penny to 0.07%. Emlyn Corporation, symbol EMMBF, was taken public in December 2016. It's a large producer of medical grade cannabis. Green Organic Dutchman, symbol TGOWF, became publicly traded May of 2018. It was medically held the largest cannabis IPO ever. Companies building cannabis facilities in Ontario, Canada, Quebec, Canada, and Jamaica. These companies are worth $1.6 billion today. They are both Canadian firms. Canadian just ended their prohibition. Cannabis is just the beginning stages of the boom. U.S. is where the action is going to be for a while. Revenue has grown quadruple since 2014, hitting $10.82 billion. Cannabis business have employed over 200,000 jobs. That trend is not going to slow down either. Forbes predicted by 2020 could have cannabis jobs in the U.S. more bigger than the manufacturing jobs. And fully legalized could create 1.1 million jobs. If you ever traded stocks before, the first thing you do is open up a brokerage account. They are free to open. Step number 2, prepare to strike quickly. Companies like Cannagrow shot up 456% in a month and a half. M Medical Pharmaceuticals jumped 617% in 4 months. Or Mentor Capital skyrocketed as much as 1,828% in less than 6 months. As soon as you get your brokerage account open, you want to put money to work. That means turn $50 or $100 investment into potential life-changing. I'm planning on putting a few $100s into work in 2019. Not all cannabis stocks are created equally. That's where step number 3 comes in. Step number 3. Target tiny pot companies set to surge. This is the fun part. Secure a handful of shares of those companies I mentioned. Watch as they potentially multiply your investments over time. Be careful not to go in it blind. If you want to invest in the right cannabis stocks, you need to know which ones. You need a strategy guide. The best 3 cannabis stocks are Acreage Holdings, symbol ACRZF, Emlyn Corporation, EMMBF, and Green Organic Dutchman, symbol TGOWF. They are a fast moving that you can take advantage of right now. These stocks are beginning to shoot up so fast. So get on board. I am. Please leave a smash like button of what you thought of this video today. And please leave comments below on why you liked it and why you didn't like it. Thank you very much for watching my video today. So if you're new here, think about subscribing. Until next video, I will see you all later. Bye-bye.